Hi, Deidre here from Our Upcycled Life, and welcome to my channel. I'm redoing my dining room. I just bought this rug 5x7 to fit underneath my table, and when I rolled it out, it was rippled, the corners are turned up, and it just was not laying flat. So I'm going to show you today how you can take a brand new rug and make it lay nice and flat underneath your table in a couple easy steps. Okay, let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is unroll that rug so the good side is facing down. And you can see now that I have it laying flat, how many wrinkles and how it's kind of bubbled up, and especially in the corners, how it's lifted, and it's just not laying nice. Now we're going to roll that rug back up so the good side is facing out. Now you want to take your time and make sure you have all of your corners laying nice and flat and even as you roll it up. Now that we have it rolled up the opposite way, I like to just, and I know it's hard and you're impatient because you want to get your carpet down, but I like to set it aside for 24 hours rolled up this way and work some of those wrinkles out. So I'm just going to set it aside and not think about it until tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day. I'm going to unroll this and see what kind of condition it's in. It's a lot better, but as you can see, there's still a lot of waves in it. When they send these out from the manufacturer, they're just woven so tight into that roll. It's just inevitable that you're going to get some of that. Now this rug is 100% polypropylene, and they do have a tendency to not lay flat. If you have a cotton rug, I find you'll have a much easier time getting it to lay nice. Now I'm gonna leave it with the back side up. And I've got an old towel, cotton towel, and my iron. I'm going to fill my iron up with water because we want steam. And I'm going to take my towel and I'm going to completely make it damp. I'm going to put it in my sink and make it damp and wet. So my towel is all damp now. I don't have any water that's squishing out of it, but it's just damp. And I've hooked my iron up to an extension cord so I can go over the whole rug. I've finished this first section and you can see how well it's already working. See the ripples up here and how nice and flat this is laying and in the corner. So let's get to work. If your towel dries out, you can just add some more water. Squeeze out the extra and you're ready to go again. All finished, and as you can see, it's laying so much better. And I just have one more step before we're going to place it in the room. I like using some indoor carpet tape. You can find it at any hardware store. I picked this up at our local hardware store. It's also on Amazon. I'll put a link down below in the description so you can have a look at that. And I like to put some in each corner of the rug and in the middle on the outside, just to keep it down nice and flat on the floor. It's a very sticky double-sided tape that you peel away this after you have it in place where you want it. But before that, I'm going to leave the backing on and apply it to the corners of the carpet. So I have a piece in each corner and then one piece along each side. You can add more if you think you need it, but it's ready to put in the room. Now that I have my rug in place, I can go back to all those places where I put the double-sided tape, remove the backing, and stick it to the floor. And I now have my carpet laying nice and beautiful and flat. No more ripples or turning up on the edges. And it looks perfect in my dining room. And if you want to see this complete makeover of this dining room, I have a full tutorial of everything I did in here that I upcycled and repurposed. I'll put the link to that down below in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. And if you love this video, I'm sure you'll love the next one. Take care.